Hello, welcome to our Audacity tutorial. In this tutorial we will try to generate a noise. For instance, we want to make a noise in this part, so click anywhere that you want to like and dock and press shift and press right key as long as far as you like, as long as you like, and then click transport and then click tracks, generate, click generate, and then click chirp, DTMF, tone, noise or silence as or tone. You can choose, pick which which one do you like. For instance, I want to silence this one. So for instance, so let's play this one for. So the program still this is the simple version. So there are voice in this part of the sound record, and now we need to generate a now silence. So click transport and click track generate. Also stop it for stop. Press stop this one. Press this button and generate, and click silence, and then click OK. So now it's suddenly not silence. So the every sound will be silenced in this part. And also you can press stop again. You can press Ctrl Z and click generate, and you can also generate a noise or DTMF tone. So click OK and then click play. Like that, and then press stop and then Ctrl Z again, and then click generate again, and then click noise. You can also generate noise. So on this part of your music or your song, click OK. This is the white noise, so it will have a noise like this as far as you like. So when you also you can also make this more, so like that. You can also make the noise, the amplitude smaller, and then click stop, then click generate again. You can also generate tone or chirp. So Ctrl Z again, and then Ctrl Z again. You can also generate tone like this, then click OK. We will generate uniform waveform based on the. So press stop again, then Ctrl Z and click generate. Okay, let's discuss about tone. You can feel this frequency. The sound will be generated based on this frequency. So click OK. This is this is the tone. If you like to be on different, will be on different frequency, you can also Ctrl Z again and generate tone. Click generate and click tone, and you can also maybe double this, so it will higher frequency. It will have a higher frequency. So click play again. So it's just the same note but with different octave or higher note. So let's continue. Ctrl Z again. So that click generate, and this is the last one. So click chirp and then click OK. It will make a chirp like this. So click play. It will make speeding of frequency up and up more. So like that. So I hope this video useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment down below. Thank you.